Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have another bit of an unboxing for you guys today. I know that the last couple of weeks I have had so many unboxings. I love online shopping. At the moment I haven't really been getting anything new. I've been getting bits and pieces staggered because Australia Post, so the postal service in Australia, has just gone through many delays, and a lot of shops as well have gone through delays. So I purchased a package from the outnet like a month and a half to 2 months ago, but it only just arrived 2 days ago. So, you know, these are things, even though I'm doing a lot of unboxing, these are things that I purchased a while ago, but they're just coming like one at a time and they're just staggered through. You may notice that I am wearing my brand new LV E-scale tunic blouse. So I am absolutely in love with this top. It is so airy, it's so nice. Today was a really hot day, so I wanted to wear something that made me look good, made me feel good. I just couldn't think of anything better than this top. I am loving this top. I haven't got anywhere to wear it, so I just thought I would take this opportunity to wear it here and show you guys as well, let you guys see how it actually fits, and I think that it fits really, really well. But if you haven't seen the unboxing for this top, and I try it on as well, go check it out. It is, I think it's in my last video. Speaking of previous videos, if you guys haven't checked out one of my latest videos, it's either the last one or two videos ago, I am doing a giveaway. So it is oh, so I finally got this in the mail, by the way. So this is my official parchment or scroll from the Supreme Court of New South Wales to say that I am part of the role, which is, you know, officially a lawyer. So I'm really excited. Yeah, it's a really thick piece of paper. In my last video, I mentioned that I am doing a giveaway of this magazine. So I purchased this top, and my SA had it couriered to me, and in there he packaged it really nicely. He sent a magazine with it and some perfume samples as well of their upcoming new perfumes. This one is last season's magazine, and I already have it. I got it in the post from Louis Vuitton headquarters, so I don't really need two. I have 2 copies already, so I am going to be giving this away completely free, very easy. Go check out that video if you haven't. I'll link the video below. I just thought it would be nice to send this to someone who enjoys this sort of stuff. Luxury is not for everyone, you know. Some people just don't care for it. My mother, for example, she just doesn't care for this sort of stuff, so, you know, giving it to my mum or my family is just, it would just be a waste. The giveaway is still open, so just in case you guys are interested and there are some new viewers or maybe some subscribers who missed out on the last video, go check it out, enter the giveaway. The magazine is not just like pretty pictures. Like, I just want to say that this magazine obviously has really pretty pictures, but it actually has really detailed articles about all the fashion and the ideas behind what Louis Vuitton stands for. The articles are really interesting, and I think even books like this, it's really good to just put it on a coffee table or maybe have it on your makeup table or something, just to spruce it up as a home decor item. So if you're interested, go check out that video, and I will definitely link it below. So I am going to start off.
Is there some?
Oh my gosh, it always does that. Sometimes it would just pick up really like weird things and think that I've said, "Hey Siri," and like, yeah, and start screaming. I had that happen during a meeting, and I was like, oh my gosh, that was my phone that did it. So yeah, I've had that happen in a meeting, and I was mortified. I was like, oh my gosh. Keeping in mind I'm like a junior, so I'm very, anyways. So I'm going to unbox the beauty items first because they are right here. Let's just talk about this one first because it's right here. I have had my eye on this particular item for a while now. I've wanted to get a new bronzer for a long time. I've been looking. I've tried the NARS cream one. I've tried there's a Tarte bronzer as well that I've tried, and just whatever I've tried, it just never really fit with me, and it never really kind of resonated with me. So when I saw that Chanel had released a brand new bronzer, I was really ecstatic because I was like, you know what, this is a good opportunity to try a new product, have it on my channel as well, let you guys know. So for any of you that do follow me for, you know, some beauty items, maybe that you know that I own and you're interested in my thoughts on it, you know, definitely add this to the list because I will be doing a video on this. Try it out a few times, do some wear tests and let you guys know what I think. But what I got is the Chanel Beiges Healthy Glow Luminous Color Medium Deep. There's a French name for it, but I'm not even going to try and pronounce that because I'm just going to butcher it and your ears are going to bleed, so let's just leave it at that. It's the English name is got the Healthy Glow Luminous Color. I don't think it was just released. I think this was released a little while ago, maybe like in the last 2 months. But yeah, so you can use this as a highlighter, or you can use it as a bronzer, in which case it just gives you just like a sun-kissed glow. So I went for the deeper color because I want to use it as a bronzer. So it comes in this little pouch. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It comes in this little felt pouch, and then the package comes like that. So usually if you guys have had Chanel makeup before, you'll know that generally it's a black box, but this one is a new one and it's a cream. So I'll do like a proper close-up of all of these. You just push this open and then it comes out and you have the mirror up top, just like any other compact. You've got a brush applicator as well. I mean, I don't know why they do include brushes because I don't think anyone ever uses them. This one's okay because the actual bronzer is not made any smaller because of it. This I purchased for 80 bucks. So it is Chanel pricing. All Chanel makeup is about that price. So I'm not, you know, surprised. I don't know how good it's going to be, but I am really excited because I do love Chanel makeup. So I'm just going to move on to unboxing this. This is another piece that I'm really excited about because this is a brand new release as well. Chanel, this is a new release, but so is this, and I'm really excited to try it. So just give me 1 second to get a pair of scissors and open this up. In my previous videos, I have mentioned that I think it's important to spend money and invest in not just makeup, so like luxury makeup and whatnot, but I think that it's also important to invest in your kind of inner beauty. Things like shampoos, body wash, body milks, moisturizers and stuff like that. Equally worthwhile to do it for things like that you don't usually think about. Especially in the shower when you're naked, you're vulnerable, you're at your most personal kind of inner peace state of mind, right? And I think that it's well worthwhile to have and create that space for yourself. So I've just finished using a shampoo from Perfect Hair Day, PhD. It has made my hair so much stronger, thicker, and it's just fragranced enough that I feel like I'm at a spa. And every time I shower, it just feels incredible. So it's definitely worth investing. That particular shampoo I love. I finished it, but this is a completely brand new release and it is really exciting to me because I love trying new stuff, right? And this is by Drunk Elephant and it is the Cocomino Glossing Shampoo for shampooing brilliance. It cleanses and balances. It has Sacha Inchi and Panthenol, coconut amino acid blend, pH 5.5. They released it, I think maybe only like 3 weeks ago. So the timing was perfect. And Drunk Elephant is such a cult brand. They have that vitamin C serum as well as the glycolic serum for nighttime use. And I use that for a month. I swear by them. They're hella expensive, but I swear by them. They are so good. It's actually amazing. Their shampoo, sorry, I don't know anything about their shampoos yet, but their skincare products are actually so good. And if you guys are wanting to try something for acne, for hyperpigmentation, red marks, and just toning your face, I definitely recommend Drunk Elephant. Their products actually have worked amazingly. And because their skin products are so good, I thought that I would give their other brand new products a try. So they've released body wash, shampoo, moisturizers, conditioners. I need a new shampoo, so I thought it'd be a good time to try. I will definitely try this and let you guys know what I think. This is free of sulfates, silicons, essential oils, fragrance, dyes, and drying alcohols. So it doesn't have any of that stuff, which means it's going to be really good if you have sensitive skin or if you have delicate hair as well. It's meant, like I said before, it's meant to cleanse and balance your hair. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to move on to my fashion pieces. The first piece, I'm going to unbox the star of the show last, saving the best for last. So this is a top from DKNY, and it's just a simple white top. It has a kind of a low crew neck, and it's just got a nice waist as well, so it kind of just cinches in at the waist, so it kind of gives you a nice thin waist, and then it flares out at the bottom. I have a similar white shirt already, but this one was really good because it was on sale. I got this for like 70 bucks. I picked this up because I got that and it wasn't enough for free shipping. Like, that's how cheap it was. It wasn't enough for free shipping. You've got to spend, I think, like $350 or something, or $300 on the outlet to actually get free shipping, and it wasn't enough. That one was $280, so I had to pick something else out. So I got this top because I think you can never have enough white shirts, right? And I love the shape of it. The silhouette is amazing. It's just really gorgeous. I love the zipper detail, and I just think it's amazing. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this top. Now, the next piece, and the most exciting piece, is perfect for winter. So Australia, we're now coming into winter, so I'm really, really excited that I got this because it's perfect timing. So it comes in this dust bag, which is good. The outlet's kind of hit and miss with their luxury pieces. Sometimes you'll get a dust bag with expensive coats and stuff, sometimes you won't. It just all kind of, like, I guess it depends on the person that's packing it. This particular person was really nice and gave me a dust bag. I don't really need it, I have so many, but anyways, it's always good for travel. Now, so I'm going to unhook this. You guys can see probably just a little bit of it. But when I saw this on sale on their website, I was absolutely taken away because I love this. The moment I saw it, I just absolutely fell in love with it. And I am so excited to reveal. Okay, well, that was a horrible reveal because you can't see anything. Let me just take this off. All right. Let's try that again. I am so excited to reveal to you guys that I got the Diane von Furstenberg fur coat. This is so soft and so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I am in love with this. This is so nice. You guys, so it's a faux fur coat, I have to say that. This was not that expensive to begin with. So it was like $1,800 or $1,900 or something like that. Yeah, it was definitely under $2,000. And then they had a massive sale, and I guess this size was just too big to fit anyone because this is an extra large. And that's perfect because being a male and with a big frame shopping women's wear, I always get discount pieces because it's just too big for any kind of like the average female, right? So I got this for a staggering like 80 or 85% off, and I got this for $280. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is actually like breathtaking. And you guys just, I mean, you can't feel this, but the fur on this is so incredibly soft. It is just amazing, and I absolutely love it. So it has pockets on the side, on both sides. It's got a really nice thick collar as well, so you can have it down, or if you're feeling cold, extra cold, you can flip it up. I don't think Australia will ever get that cold, maybe if I visit the countryside, but it's good to have that kind of option there. And luckily it actually fits me. So I'll put it on now. I won't actually do kind of like a full outfit. I'll just put it on for you guys and just kind of show you what it looks like. And also it's extremely heavy, and I'm not complaining. I think that's a good thing, because if you're spending like a whole heap of money for something that's expensive, you want it to be quality, you want it to be weighted. So I'll put this on. Ooh. And I think it just, oh, it's heavenly, guys. So it fits me perfectly. As you can see, my wrist comes out there. So it is literal like perfection. It fits me just perfectly. It has a little hook here. You guys will never be able to see this, because even off camera I can't see the hook. I can only feel it because the hook is in the same color as the fur. But there's a hook here, and then there's a hook somewhere here as well that you just can never find. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there's a hook here, so you can kind of like pull that in and wear it like this. But I just can't imagine, like, I'm trying to get that in there, but like I don't think, nah, it's just impossible to get in there. Oh, actually, did I get it? Oh, I did get it. Okay, there we go. Okay, maybe it's not that hard to get in there. Oh, no, I did not actually get it. Yeah, but that's fine, because you can just kind of bundle yourself up like this and stay incredibly, incredibly warm. So it doesn't even matter that you'll be open up like that. And I think in Australia, like, you will probably just be wearing it like this, because it's just not cold enough to be doing this. Like, I'm sweating right now from the minute and a half that I've been wearing it. I'm sweating. So I'm going to take this off. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. My tags are still on this. I will cut them off. You know what? I'm just going to cut them off now. So, it's off. I am definitely keeping this coat, and I'm so excited. Yeah, like, I love this coat, and I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait until it gets cold enough for me to wear it. Anyways, guys, that is the end of my video. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. These days I like my videos being 15 to 20 minutes long. I find that it works better. Let me know if that is something that works with you guys, or if you guys just don't care. Reminder to check out the previous video linked below for the giveaway. Definitely enter if it interests you. There are good articles in there, and I think it's really interesting. It's not just a book with pretty pictures. So, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really, really appreciate it. It means the world to me. The enormous amount of positive feedback that I've received from my viewers, I have been brought to tears. There have been moments where I have been like, oh my gosh, like, this is something that I never expected. So I really do want to say a genuine thank you to you guys. Thank you to everyone who's watching as well. It means a lot to me. But yeah, so thank you so much, and I hope everyone is staying safey. I hope everyone is staying safe, healthy, and isolated. Okay, keep apart from everyone. But thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.